WooCommerce PayPal Payments provides a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for your e-commerce store, streamlining the checkout process to boost conversion rates. This powerful extension enables you to accept a wide range of payment methods, including PayPal and Venmo for U.S. customers, making it easier for customers to pay with their preferred digital wallet. Furthermore, it integrates pay later options, allowing customers to split payments or pay over time, which can significantly increase sales and average order value. The plugin also supports traditional credit and debit card payments, ensuring a seamless experience for all users. By consolidating multiple payment gateways into a single solution, WooCommerce PayPal Payments simplifies management while offering a flexible and secure way for customers to complete their purchases, ultimately helping you expand your reach and grow your business. The WooCommerce PayPal Payments plugin is a critical tool for any e-commerce site, allowing you to seamlessly integrate PayPal as a payment option for your customers. To set this up, begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, heading to Plugins and clicking Add New. Search for WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Install. And activate the plugin provided by WooCommerce. Once activated, go to WooCommerce Settings, and then to the Payments tab, where you'll find the new PayPal option. Click Setup and select the manual credential input to proceed with a real-time payment gateway. You'll need your PayPal account's live email address, merchant ID, client ID, and secret key. To find these, log into your PayPal account, go to Account Settings to locate your merchant ID, and then access the Developer section to find your client ID and secret key by creating a new live app. Copy and paste these credentials back into the WooCommerce settings. Click Save Changes, and your e-commerce site is now ready to accept secure payments via PayPal.